Hi guys, this is Rafa from Brazil striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you are well and fine. First of all, I'm really sorry I haven't been able to be more often here on the YouTube channel. Well, this week was a little complicated to me on my journalism job. A lot of sports events taking place here in Brazil, especially football, and it was kind of complicated to me to be attending some videos and some questions that I had here in my YouTube channel. So please, I'm really sorry, but it's very nice talking to you again. Well, talking to you about a great week that we had. In our Signet group, we had 3 or 4 entries. They were very successful. We are on a very good strike. This month, I think we are pretty much clean sheet. I think, yeah, only positive trades, and pretty much following the same situation. We took this trade in this week, and now we are in this trade this week. Look, and following the same rules. That's what I talk to you guys. You don't have to change your strategy every time. No. The better thing for you to do is to stick with the same strategy, to stick with the same plan, to make you a daily routine. I'm not saying that you have to be placing trades every day. No, you just have to establish a weekly routine, the same routine in the charts, because that's the way you're going to find your consistency. You're going to train your brain to see and look for the same thing every single moment. That's the most important part about being a trader. Follow a consistent routine. Then you're going to find your way out. So let's take this GBP NZD for instance. Look at here. A beautiful downtrend that we have. Okay. We had a sell signal. Okay. So since we have a sell signal, we look for a sell short-term trend. If we find a sell short-term trend, we go to the long-term trend, that in this case should be in red moment as well. Okay. So we confirm on the 1 hour time frame, and for that I use a mark here to analyze the 1 hour. And what we need in the 1 hour is just a confirmation. Okay. Is the price action coming into a sell area to a buy area. Okay, so look in here, we had this opportunity. Let me zoom in. What we need here, look, we need a price action that are going through the trend line. Okay, the candles are above the trend line. We don't need a signal on the 1 hour. We don't need the trend line to be red right at the moment of the trade. No, we don't need that. We just need a price action coming from a sell area to a buy area with this kind of movement. Okay, we don't want floating candles. No, we want straight candles coming, crossing the trend line, and price action in this case below the trend line. Okay, so we come back to the 1 hour time, sorry, to the 30 minutes time frame, and we place our trade. Okay, respecting the 1-to-1 risk ratio. Okay, so our stop loss would be 118, 17 pips. So we do the 1-to-1 risk ratio. That would be around here. Okay, around here. Yeah, around here. So that's how we do it. Okay, and that's it. Pretty much your take profit would have been taken around here. But look what happened here. As soon as we got into the trade, what did we have? Well, we did help to work our nerve out. Look, because the price action went up, then went down, went up again, then went down, and then price consolidate for many moments, many hours here, and then went back again, consolidate a little bit more, and then back again. So we were very safe, but we had to be patient. This trade took, let's see, I think it was 3 days. Look, 1, 2, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. 3 days. And we have a secret sauce to let this price and squeeze every single pip. Okay? If you want to know about these tips, please send me an email. I can send you some interesting tips about squeezing every pip we can from here. Okay? But we took this trade, and look, there's another beautiful setup right here. And what do I have to do? Nothing different, just the same thing. Look at that. A buy signal on a buy short-term trend, a buy long-term trend. What we do now, we mark our entry, okay, to analyze price action on the 1 hour. And what do we need in the 1 hour? A price action coming from a buy area with a solid up movement above the trend line. We don't need a signal. In this case we had, thank God, but we don't need a signal at the right moment that we are in. No, we don't. We just need the price action to confirm our entry. Okay, so what did I do? I did the same thing. I placed my trade. I measure my stop loss around here, 100 and 130 pips, and my take profit would be around 130 as well. Look at that. I am all my halfway, 80 pips right now, so 50 pips more. I'll be half my take profit. But I can squeeze more pips. Yes, I can, and I have a secret sauce for that. Okay? Right now, what did I do? Well, my trailing stop is already triggered, and I triggered my trailing stop when it reached 20 pips. So my stop loss was driven to the break-even area, and that's it. I don't have to worry about this trade no more. I just have to surf the trend. Let the price run. Let the markets give me what he wants to give me. I can't control anything. Let it go. It's interesting because as a journalist, the more I study, the more I engage myself in knowledge, in perceptions, and in studying, the more I get. So making trades, it's not the opposite, but it's completely different, because the more I try to study, the more I try to understand and get every little detail about every candle. Oh my God, this is an engulfing candle. Oh, this is a moving average cross. Oh, let me check the ATR. Oh, let me check fundamentals. Every time I try to overthink about my procedure, in my process, I got stopped. So sometimes I have to fight against myself, because trying to get better and get better and get better, it's about the human nature. It's about my nature. But trading, it's something different. So I have to learn how to be a different person, a different human being. I have to simplify things. I have to let things easier and more automated. Sometimes we want things in our control. I want to control every single aspect about my life. The way I wake up, the time I get out of bed, what I'm going to have for breakfast, where I'm going to make my workout, what time I'm going to my office, and how I'm going to kiss my wife, how I'm going to talk to my kids. Let it go. You don't have to control anything. And quite the opposite, you can't control, and we will not control. That's mandatory. I cannot have control over this. I have control over my procedures, which are most of the time automatic. I really don't have to think too much about it. Really don't. Look, green, green, green. 1 hour time frame. Let's confirm. Price action going above on a very straight line, up and above the trend line. Okay, good movement. Go back to the 30 minutes time frame. Now I have to set my stop loss and my take profit. Stop loss around here. Take profit 1-to-1 risk ratio around here. Place my trade. Set my trading stop. That's it. It's automated. I don't have to overthink. I don't have to do anything else. I just have to do the same thing every time, looking for every pair. Okay? Look, GBP JPY, beautiful entry. I was trading GBP NZD, so I have NZD CAD right on my right. So let's see. Yes, I'm in this trade as well. Look at that, the same thing. Red, red, red. Stop loss, take profit. That's it. Rinse and come again. That's it. You just have to be patient. Catch F, I think I'm in this trade as well. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. Look what I did. The same thing. Price is coming over and up, up and up. Okay, I don't have anything to do. Okay, I just have to wait. I don't have control over this. I don't have control. When I have control over my steps, my procedure. And that's what I do for trading. I don't do anything else. Okay? So let's wait. There will be another beautiful weekend start next Monday. Today it's 16 April. Next Monday it's my birthday. Yeah, April 19th. So I'll be taking my day off. You guys from my Telegram group, my Signal group, don't expect any signal. I'm taking my wife to dinner. Don't wait for me. We'll see you on April 20th. Okay? Thank you guys. Please, thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you're not part of the Simplicity Trading System family, you're just wasting your time. There is no more need to seek for indicators, EAs, and everything else. The search is over. Simplicity Trading System is the hottest trading system out there in the market. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.